Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the phone and environment so the test is meaningful. Mount the phone steady and point at a controlled scene with mid-tone detail. This reduces shake and framing differences. Next, open the camera app and change resolution and frame rate to the highest practical settings for quality testing. Once done, lock exposure and focus or switch to manual so settings stay consistent across takes. Make sure the lens is clean to avoid misleading blur or flare. You now run the core recordings to reveal differences in detail, motion, and noise. Start with a static test chart or textured wall, then film a person walking across the frame and lastly a low-light scene. Record each for 10 to 30 seconds. Make sure you keep the same distance and framing if comparing devices and avoid digital zoom. Once finished, extract still frames from the video and preserve original files. These assets let you inspect sharpness, dynamic range, and compression artifacts. You finish by analyzing the captured material and addressing problems. Play back clips at 1:1 pixel scale and in slow motion to judge sharpness and motion blur. Check dark shadows and highlights for dynamic range and review color accuracy under neutral lighting. If stabilization jitters or focus hunting appear, try a different camera app, reset app settings, or update phone firmware. If noise or exposure remains poor, repeat tests with manual exposure adjustments and verify there is no.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.